Hello, today we are going to talk about Seishi Yokomizo's The Village of Eight Graves. Now, let me draw you a picture. And in the middle of all of this, you have our protagonist who has come back after years to this village. Him and a detective must figure out why are these murders happening again. The setting is very gothic, very dark. This is probably Seishi Yokomizo's fifth or sixth book that I am reading. All of these books describe Japan in a very dark undertone, exactly the Japan that you would expect post World War II. So if you like murder mysteries, gothic books with a tinge of horror attached to them,